This is my unusual setup. It's a wood burning stove with back boiler, wall pockets from the sides and from the back, and it's located not in a home, so it's a space between a garage and home, covered with the roof, yeah, and then it's run fine. As you see, I just reduced the power a little bit too much. Blower is from a kitchen hob extractor, yeah. Go underneath. What else? What else? The pipe, I can show pipe. Straight pipe. No smoke at all. Clean burn. And that's the setup. So it's number 1 flow, 45 return. Filtered oil, 200 liters, and that's peristaltic pump. There's some safety features, yeah. Sensor, thermistor, which controls temperature. It's not go over 65 Celsius. Yeah, when it's reached 65, it start dropping the speed, then increase again to keep stable 65. What else? Yeah, it's run fine, ventilated, so nothing should overheat as well. And from the back, oil feed line going there. Both containers connected. They still need the boxing somehow nice in the box and adjust. It's the lowest speed now. Not like big difference, it's just, and the number one still works absolutely fine. I'm happy with it. Nice cheap alternative. As I cut that gas out completely, meter remove it. Yeah, no, still have a wood. If some case run out of oil outside, still have, yeah. Alternatively, if run out of wood and oil, I still have a heat pump, self-made. No, not they produce it in factory, of course, but it's from air conditioner. This is heat exchanger. There is control unit. Around 2 pounds electricity a day with the heating of house. Yeah, last winter. Oil is cheaper, of course. Filtering with this bloody setup, yeah, it's still mess there. Centrifuge, oil, filtered. There was some empty before. 200 liters filtered, so it runs and heat up house and then hot water, of course. 250 liters water tank, yeah? Beautiful. One more look in this one. 6151. It's one radiator open in living room now. If just hot water, it's quite fast heat up. And yeah. See you guys.